Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I am going to answer the next 10 questions from SSR chapter Keith Williams Radio Navigation book. I have already solved first 40 questions and uploaded to my YouTube channel. Do watch those lectures also. So let's start with question number 41. Simple. What SSR modes are frequently used by ATC? So ATC will use mode A and mode C frequently. There is no such thing called mode delta. Mode Bravo is there, but it is redundant now. We don't use it. So mode A. So frequently used modes are modes A, C, and S. Alpha, Charlie, and Sierra. Next, data transmission and exchange is conducted on what mode? Here they are talking about data link communication that happens between transponder and ATC system automatically, right? Okay, so whatever aircraft identification, flight level, all the relevant aircraft information is sent from transponder of aircraft to ATC system automatically without having pilot report anything. So this relieves pilot workload, ATC workload, decreases RT communication traffic, right? So data transmission and exchange happens automatically on mode Sierra, mode S. Mode A tells about aircraft identification. Mode C, aircraft altitude based on standard pressure setting 1013. 43. A mode S transponder will do what? It will not respond to interrogations on mode A. It will respond normally to mode A or mode C interrogations. Respond to mode A interrogations but not to mode C. Not respond to modes A or C because it is on a different frequency. So correct option is respond normally to mode A or mode C. Now mode S capability in a transponder is designed in such a way that it will not be able to answer, not only be able to answer its own interrogations, that is mode S interrogations, but also interrogations pertinent to mode A and mode C. Okay, this is done to have a easy, comfortable, convenient transition from the use of mode A, mode C capabilities to mode S capabilities. Okay, so in order to avoid a disruption or disruptive transition from mode A, mode C to mode S, they have allowed mode S to also operate or also transpond or reply to pulses of mode A and mode C. So remember, mode S is able to transpond normally to mode A or mode C, just like it will be able to transpond to mode S. 44. Which of the following statements regarding mode S is most correct? Mode S and mode AC transponders use different frequencies in operation. Mode S is used to assist GPS calculations. Mode S are used with radio altimeter. Mode S reduce radio telephony traffic and also provide aircraft with a data link facility. So just now I explained the advantage of mode S transponders is that they have the provision for data link facility, provision for data link communication between ATC system and aircraft system. This data link capability or this data link communication consists of or includes all the pertinent information of flight, okay, of your flight, and therefore it reduces RT traffic. So the pilot won't have to talk on radio telephony and transmit or report all information to ATC controller. It will reduce traffic workload, pilot workload, air traffic controller workload, and decrease radio telephony traffic. Okay, and also it provides with data link capability. So same. Question 45. In SSR, the interrogations use different modes, right? If altitude reporting is required, aeroplane transponder should be set to alt, meaning altitude, and it will respond to what? So when you set aircraft's transponder to alt, ALT, it will respond to mode A as well as mode C interrogations. It will respond to mode A as well as mode C interrogations. Okay. So when you select mode A, you will get responses related to mode A only. Okay, that is aircraft identification. But when you select mode C, you will not only get altitude information, but also aircraft identification. So mode C is inclusive of mode A, remember. So altitude information is something that is you are getting in addition to identification information. Which statement regarding mode S transponders is most correct? Mode S transponders are used with TCAS2, yes, in order to have coordinated resolution advisories. Mode S transponders are used to assist GPS. Mode S, Mode C operate on different frequencies. Mode S transponders reduce party traffic and provide a data link facility. So option delta is the most correct or most appropriate answer. Okay, mode S transponders. Now, mode S transponders are used with TCAS2. It may happen that TCAS2 may not have mode S transponder. Some aircraft may have TCAS2 but not mode S capability in the transponder. Still, the TCAS2 will be able to generate traffic advisory and resolution advisories. The only thing is that in case mode S capability is not available in your aircraft or it's not available in the traffic around you, then the resolution advisories of that traffic aircraft and your aircraft won't be coordinated. Okay, so that is one disadvantage. But modest transponders are not compulsory for TCAS2. Remember that. Therefore, the most correct, they have asked most correct. Mode A, option A, correction will also can be correct, but most correct in comparison with mode A, option A and option B is option delta. Mode S reduces RT traffic because it has a facility for data link communication. Okay, so automatically the systems will communicate information between each other. Next, 47. When a mode C check is carried out and assuming equipment is working without error, the mode C will report a pressure altitude of 35,064. So all the mode C altitudes are reported in increments of 100 feet. So 35,064 will be rounded off to the next whole number, which is 35,100, right? So anything more than 50 will be rounded off to the next whole number. Any value less than 50 will be rounded off to the previous whole number. So 35,064 is more than 35,050. So it will be rounded off to the next whole number, that is 35,100. And this flight level will be reported as flight level 351. So correct option is option delta. Important question. 48. When a mode C interrogation is responded to, vertical position of aircraft is encoded and transmitted. This vertical position is reference to standard pressure setting of 1013. All altitudes reported by mode C capability in your transponder will be with reference to 1013.2, right? This will be irrespective. Okay, this thing will be irrespective of the altimeter setting in your sensitive pressure altimeter. Okay, so whatever altimeter setting you have put in your altimeter, QNH, regional QNH, QFE, doesn't matter. Mode C information will be with respect to standard pressure setting 1013 only. Next, 49. Selection of mode C on SSR provides ATC information based on aircraft pressure, altitude, aircraft height is wrong. Aircraft altitude as indicated on captain's altimeter, no. So it will be aircraft's pressure altitude. Pressure altitude is nothing but any altitude or vertical distance measured from standard pressure level 1013. Question 50. SSR code for a total radio failure. So for radio failure, the SSR code is 7600. Hijack, remember, 7500. Distress emergency, it is 7700. Transponder malfunction, it is 000. So this successfully concludes our lecture. I hope you have understood this simple 10 questions Very easy to answer and score full marks. Keep studying, keep working hard, keep practicing more and more questions. Share this video with your friends and like this video lecture. Do visit the next video lecture in which I will solve the next 10 questions of this chapter. All the best.